The Norton 6000 series door operators are available for both single door and double door applications. The procedure for installing dual operators is similar to single door applications, but there are some important additions. The unique double back plates snap together to ensure proper alignment. The left plate is clearly marked and should be mounted first before locking the right plate into place. Use the built-in bubble levels to be sure both plates are level. Attach the two end caps with the two screws provided for each. Next, check the markings and start a screw in each bottom hole that matches your particular model number, 2 in the left plate and 2 in the right. Leave a gap of about 3/8 of an inch. Slide each LAP assembly down onto the two screws. Be sure that the spring tube faces to the outside toward the hinge side of the door. Note that the right LAP is inverted from the left. Tighten the 4 screws. Next, secure each LAP assembly with 6 additional screws. Attach the conduit assembly in the center where the two plates meet with 4 5/16 screws. Be sure the conduit holes are at the bottom. Next, install the 2 electrical sub-assemblies just to the left and right of the conduit assembly. Again, these parts are identical, but should be mounted inversely with the LED screens facing away from the center.